Hi, I'm Samuel Chu, and this is my quarter two elevator pitch. So by 2050, one study estimates that the leading cause of death will be drug-resistant pathogens. So one way to combat drug-resistant pathogens is to create new antibiotics that'll help kill them. So the way we're going to help create new antibiotics is through the discovery of new antimicrobial peptides. So a peptide is essentially a chain of amino acids that could be found in our body, and some of them have this antimicrobial property that can help us discover new antibiotics, but then some peptides also do not have this useful property. So in our quarter one project, we replicated a paper that classifies if a peptide has this antimicrobial property or not, using an ensemble model of an LSTM, an attention, and a BERT model. And it did really well. It achieved a AUPRC of 92 and a precision of around the same score, which is very good. So we want to leverage this model in our second quarter project, and we want to train it on a new data set. So the data set we want to use in our quarter two project is called FinRisk. It's run by the Finnish government, and it collects DNA and health records of, anonymized of course, DNA and health records of Finnish citizens. And using this DNA data, we can figure out which peptides these Finnish residents have. And once we run it through our model, we can figure out if these peptides that these people have, which ones do we think have this antimicrobial property or not. And once we have these results, these predictions from our model, we can compare these to each person's health records. And our goal here is that we want to find a correlation between having a specific antimicrobial peptide and having a specific health outcome, such as diabetes or asthma or heart disease. And a success in our books would be finding a strong correlation between a specific antimicrobial peptide and a health outcome, because then in the future people could get their DNA tested and we can tell them, oh, you're at risk for this X disease, and hopefully that'll give them a warning and will make them healthier in the future.